Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem a YouTube premium code in 2024. It's super easy and I'll walk you through each step. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your YouTube premium code handy. You might have received this code via email or it could be a physical card if you got it as a gift. Once you have your code ready, let's move on to the next step. Now open the YouTube app on your device. This method works on both Android and iOS, so no worries about compatibility. If you're on a computer, you can simply go to youtube.com. Now tap on your profile in the top right corner from the menu. Select purchases and memberships, or simply type on get YouTube premium. And this will take you to a page where you can manage your subscriptions and memberships. Scroll down until you see the redeem section. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to enter your YouTube premium code. Carefully type in the code and make sure there are no typos. Once you're done, then tap next or redeem. After entering your code, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your YouTube premium subscription has been successfully activated. And that's it. You now have access to all the benefits of YouTube premium, including ad-free videos, background play, and YouTube music. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick and easy tutorials.